Another achievement of coal-based nano-hydrocarbon fuel in replacing diesel in industrial application. Explosive reducing agent. On the 22nd of November, our partner Zenan Group used coal-based nano-hydrocarbon fuel to prepare 3 sets of explosion tests for industrial explosives and achieved a complete success. Based on the hydrogen storage and energy leverage nature of the nano-hydrocarbon fuel, its characteristics of low calorific value of raw materials, low solid content of fuel, low ignition temperature and high calorific value of the fuel, 3 lows and 1 high. It can realize energy saving, consumption reduction, pollution reduction, and synergistic clean combustion. After a lot of test plan discussions, laboratory experiments, and on-site explosion tests, technicians concluded that it is feasible to replace diesel or partly replace diesel with nano-hydrocarbon fuel for the production of ammonium oil explosives and heavy ammonium oil explosives.
On November 22nd, Zenan Group used the coal-based nano-hydrocarbon fuel to prepare porous granular ammonium oil explosives at the test site of the explosive factory. The results showed that the detonation of the explosives was complete and stable, and the detonation velocity could reach up to 3,200 meters per second. A large number of data proved that the coal-based nano-hydrocarbon fuel can completely replace diesel as a reducing agent for porous granular ammonium oil explosives. According to the preliminary experimental research of Zenan Group Explosive Factory, the coal-based nano-hydrocarbon fuel can replace about 4% to 6% of diesel in ammonium oil explosives. If this technology is successfully promoted and applied, it can save 18,000 tons of diesel in the production of industrial explosives in Inner Mongolia every year, saving nearly 144 million yuan in cost. Industrial explosives are called the foundation of the basic industry, the energy of the energy industry, and are widely used in many national economic fields such as coal mining and metallurgy. It is reported that the licensed production capacity of industrial explosives in the Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region is about 680,000 tons. In 2021, the region produced about 580,000 tons of explosives, including about 450,000 tons of ammonium oil explosives. Ammonium oil explosives, as one of the most widely used explosives among industrial explosives, are composed of porous granular ammonium nitrate and diesel oil. The innovation of coal-based nano-hydrocarbon fuels in ammonium oil explosives has opened up a new path for the industrialization of coal-based nano-hydrocarbon fuels, promoting energy conservation and emission reduction, and achieving high-quality development in green transformation.